I'm going to teach you how to do enrichments for treat tubes today. All the supplies that you're going to need are going to be right here in this cabinet. You're going to see the paper towel rolls, and then on this side, you're going to see treats. So I'm going to show you today how to use a full size and using a half as well. Okay, so let me get my treats. You're gonna fold one side half like this. Then you're gonna fold the other side. Then I'm gonna take about 3 to 5 treats. There we go. Put that one back in there. And then we're gonna fold the other side. And makes a good treat. And we'll do the other one. And a few in there. Fold it. And then, see, they're already falling out for our kitties. And that's today's enrichment. Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to make treat tubes that we're going to distribute to our dogs in districts 1 through 4 on Saturday, and then on Sunday, district 9. Everything that you need to make the treat tubes are going to be in this area right here. So we're going to take a little bit of peanut butter, a high value treat, and we need your treat tube. So to start with, we're going to close one side of the treat tube. And then we're gonna do the opposite. Make sure it's tight. And we're gonna take our peanut butter and open up this one. And we'll take a little bit of so we're gonna take a little bit of peanut butter, wipe it in on the side like that. And then we're gonna take some of our high value treats. We're gonna break them up just a little bit. And we're gonna toss them in the tube, just like that. And then we're gonna close one side and close the opposite side. That way, they get a good little treat. And that's how you make treat tubes.